Good morning, everyone. I'm Miss Laura, and welcome to our Nature Basket program. Glad the weather is nice again and we can come back to the park. Just a couple things before we get started. There's a sign-in sheet. Just mark off by your name if you're here, and there's two-sided. And then if you don't get emails from me, reminder emails, there's a list with emails, or you can put your email on it, and I will send you an email about a week before each program, letting you know what the topic is, and you can sign up. Just reply to me. So we will be here in the park through November, and we will be on Wednesday mornings. I will see you back in June. And then we skip July, because if any of you have older children, we have in June and July, we have the Wolf program, which is for school-age kids. It's 6 weeks. All the dates are up on the website, and also the summer and the fall dates for the park, or for Nature Basket at the park, are on the website. All right, so today we're going to talk about seeds. And our book today is called We Found a Seed. This is us. We found a seed. We put it in a box to keep it safe. It didn't grow. Should it grow? Put it in a box to keep it safe. Is it going to grow? No. We played with the seed. We danced for the seed. We sang to the seed. Is that going to help? Is that going to help the seed grow? Nope.
What?
It didn't grow. We asked the seed, what must we do? Does anyone know what they need to do? Yeah. We listened, we waited, and then we heard, plant me. And so we did. We dug a small bed and tucked the seed in. Oh, they put it to sleep in its little bed. We heard the wind blow autumn leaves. Did the seed hear it too? Can seeds hear? No.
I don't know.
We felt the icy winter rain. Did the seed feel it too? Maybe.
Delicious.
We were warmed by the sun in early spring. The seed was too. It grew. You see it? It's an itty bitty tiny seed. And it grew. And it grew. Getting bigger. And it grew. Oh my. Now it's as big as the kids. It gave us a flower. It shone like the sun all summer long. Does anyone know what kind of flower it is?
A sunflower.
Yes, it's a sunflower.
I know that.
Then autumn came. Our flower died, and we were sad. But it left us a gift.
A seed.
It gave us seeds, and we know just what to do. So they'll plant them, and they'll get another flower next year. So seeds are actually everything you need to make a plant.
No.
They're just itty tiny baby plants all cupped up in a nice, safe little space. But seeds come in all different sizes. Yeah, sorry. They can be really, really tiny or not so tiny. Do you know coconut is a seed? This is actually a seed. So seeds, they need to find a nice place to grow. And most of the time, they can't do it on their own. They need a little help. So any idea how a seed would get from the plant it came from to a new place? What do you think? How can a seed move? Do they have legs? Can they walk? No. How can a seed move?
Now he's mine. See, now the ones that birdies, that's why.
So some seeds will stick to animals and catch a ride. Some seeds come with yummy food on the outside, like a berry. And so the animal will eat it, and then the seed will actually pass through the animal, and when they go potty, they'll leave it behind. Some seeds, like this one, when they get touched, they explode and fly everywhere. Seeds like our coconut can float. Birds and our friend Mr. Squirrel will hide seeds. They'll actually plant them. They'll put them in the ground, and if they don't come back for them, they're ready to go. And some seeds fly. They have wings and they fly. Does anyone have a maple tree in their yard?
Oh. You don't have a maple tree.
So if you've seen a maple tree, the seeds have a little wing on them and they will fly. Has anyone seen a dandelion? When it's changed from the yellow pretty flower to the white puff. Well, what happens if you blow on the white puffy flower?
I blow you away.
They blow away. They fly. The seeds will fly away. All right. So the largest seed in the world is a coconut. Not this size coconut, but it is a coconut. So so they get much bigger than this, or they're very tiny. Yeah, you can eat that.
You can eat that.
You can eat the seed. Yep. Although it's very hard to get into. I'm not sure we'd be able to get into.
But we can't eat coconut. Only we can never.
So if you open it up inside, it's white, and you can eat that part. Problem is, coconuts are not easy to get into, so we're not eating this coconut today because we're not going to be able to get into it. All right, so some plants, like pine trees, have pine cones. Are pine cone seeds? They're not seeds. They actually hold seeds. They have little, what they call pine nuts, that tuck in each of the little spots of the seed pods. And the animals will look for them and spread them around. So a lot of the things that you eat at your house are actually seeds. So I went into our house into my house and I looked around to see what kind of seeds that I have. So, here. So we have sunflower seeds. These are ones with the husk on it, and then I got ones that were ready to eat. Almonds, nuts are seeds. I got cashews and pistachios. Yeah. Chickpeas. Rice is a seed. Lentils, beans are seeds. You're right. I have some green peas or sugar snap peas. Most of the fruits and vegetables you eat are either seeds or parts of seeds or have seeds in them. And then I got some flower seeds, some milkweed seeds. These are chia seeds. And then I have pumpkin seeds that are ready to eat. But I also have a pumpkin. And when you open the pumpkin, come on, open it. It's full of seeds. And you can plant them and get pumpkins. Actually, pumpkins are pretty easy to grow. All right. So we have all sorts of seeds, and seeds like to move around. And like I said, a lot of the foods that you eat, fruits and vegetables, are either seeds or parts of seeds. And the reason that the plants grow the fruits and the vegetables is to attract animals to come and get the food part and move their seeds around because they need their seeds. Does anyone know? What do you remember from the book what that seed needed to grow? What did the seed need to grow? What did they have to do to it? Yes, they had to put it in the soil, and then it got rained on, and and that's what plants need. And once they start growing, then of course they'll have more. All right, well, we are going to make, where did I put it? The wearies. We're going to make some little pot critters. So you're going to get a pot, and I got a bunch of different shapes. You can make a face out of it. And then we're going to put topsoil in, and then we're going to put some seeds in it. And your critter will grow hair.